My video is about removing the online scam by the website Gomlanet.xyz. This site, Gomlanet.xyz, is a dangerous site. It now targets Google, Chrome, and other browsers. The purpose of this site is to trick you into basically downloading some potentially unwanted software, and if you see these pop-ups, do not trust them. These are fake alerts. Don't tolerate them and just leave this deceptive page. Such pop-ups, in fact, could be the consequence of some malware or adware on your system. I recommend you to scan your system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully examining the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then eliminate all other threats fully from your device. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.